The boys are in the dam. Haven't turned on the cam since yesterday.
Not trying to smoke a little bit of sad.
Boys are in Amsterdam. Join it up. French fried up. Have a fucking couple of days, baby. Beautiful weather. Fucking terrible weather when we were leaving Munich. This is gorgeous. Jack and the Beanstalk.
This shot is so cool, the dripping stars.
Nice. There they are, yo. Just drank pints with a fucking group of fucking Hollanders for like 4 hours. Wasn't gonna drink today, now I'm drunk. But look at the fucking views. Look at the fucking vibes. Type shit.
You know what we should go to? The banana show.
Boys just pulled up to the Albert Kiep Market. One of the biggest markets in Amsterdam. Open every day during the week from 9 in the morning till 5. Beautiful lady.
Yeah, Turkey. Turkish. Turkish gözleme.
Very good.
Thank you very much.
Very good.
Thank you. Spinaci cheese, potato cheese, spinach potato cheese.
Little mayo and curry ketchup. Me and Stanley here. Welcome to the Stanley Show.
That's what we say in Amsterdam: when you touch the riches from the inside with your hands, it will bring you luck. If you touch it with your hands, it's going to certainly bring you an ambulance. Yes, and we have set many city fires. 50. One major difference between the canals in Venice and Amsterdam. The canals in Amsterdam were dug by hand. The city. Amsterdam has been flooded up. And one of the main reasons of the houses being painted black actually was in the time of the Black Plague. Yes, to warn other people not to enter the houses, they were painting them black. North of the city.
And all the houses that you see around were actually built on wooden pillars. Being in the water, of course, what starts to happen? It rots. Hence the leaning, the sinking of the houses around here. This house is called the Sluiswacht. It means the lockkeeper's house because the lockkeeper used to live in that house. That's because inside the floors are not left. Anything else for you?
Whoops, sorry, you're good.
Nothing to do with drugs.
Give me as much luck as I could get. The Himmler experience.